Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. I've got my tape measure because I'm shopping for refrigerators and I want to make sure I get the right size. Now, I thought about what kind of refrigerator do I want, and I know I want a French door refrigerator. There's a lot of different styles out there, so if you want to learn more about those, scroll back on our YouTube channel, check out some of my videos. What's the best refrigerator for you? But I'm looking for a French door. I got one here and I want to make sure it's going to fit in my existing space. So that starts with a tape measure. There's actually kind of 3 different ways you can do this. The best thing to do before you come into Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom is to measure both the current size of your refrigerator and your opening. We want to have both of those measurements when you come in and talk to the salesperson. So I see here that I'm a little bit more than 36 inches. I'm 36 3/4 inch wide. And let's see here how tall I am. Am I from the floor all the way up here? I'm right at 6 feet, 72 inches. We want those measurements in inches when you come in. And then lastly, I want to know how deep this is. And I want to know mainly, am I looking for a counter depth or a standard depth refrigerator? In this guy, I'm just going to kind of hook the tape measure onto the back here and to the edge of the doors. That's 29 inches. So that tells me right away that it's not a counter depth refrigerator, it's a standard depth. There's 3 main sizes in French door refrigerators, 30, 33, and 36. There's no standard. If you come in and you say, hey, I'm looking for a standard size refrigerator, we might have to send you back home and do some measurements. So I've got my main measurements, and don't worry so much about how far the handles stick out. We can help make sure that we have the proper swing for all of your refrigerator doors. But if you're not sure, let's say you've got an island right here. Yeah, maybe you want to pull this out, measure it from here all the way back to the wall. But again, most importantly, we want to know how much space you have currently with how big your current refrigerator is and how much space you potentially have. Another great thing to do is bring your model number with you of your current refrigerator. Because if we know that one fits and we can help look up the size, then we know that we're getting the right size of refrigerator. All right, so this refrigerator here, I know it fits. I love the color. So now it's time to go check with my salesperson and see what are the specifications I need. One resource that you have at home is ApplianceFactory.com. You can go through and filter in what style refrigerator, what color, what size, and it'll show you some examples of what we have in inventory, and it'll give you model numbers. Model numbers are really important when you come in to talk to the salesperson. This one here, we have the LMXC23476D. Now that tells your salesperson a couple different things. It tells them what size as far as capacity, what color, and what brand. Armed with that information, we can really help pinpoint quickly what's the right refrigerator for you. Now, while you're at ApplianceFactory.com, I want you to scroll down the page to this bottom gray banner, and on this documents form, you can click on that. And here we have quick specs. When you click on quick specs, you're going to get this page, and this page shows you all of the measurements with the doors on and the doors off, how tall each door is, how much space you need for any of the installation. It'll give you the model number and basically everything you need to know, make sure that you have the right size. This is a wonderful resource at ApplianceFactory.com. Also, on certain model numbers, there's even a YouTube video review. So on select models, really popular models, you can see what our experts have to say with that. Now you're probably thinking, what about my stove and my dishwasher and my microwave? Don't I need to know the measurements of those as well? Well, those are a little easier. The majority, 90% of ranges out there are 30 inches. And if you're going with a microwave above your range, that's also 30 inches. And they're all about the same depth, within about a ½ inch of each other. And then the dishwashers are all 24 inches wide and about the same height. So yeah, we would love measurements on those as well. but those are a little easier because they're closer to a standard size. So hopefully this helps dial in for you the measurements you need when you're buying a refrigerator. We want to know what style refrigerator and what color, but we need to know the width, the heights and the depth of your current refrigerator and the amount of space you have. And then remember, go to appliancefactory.com to get more specifications, so when you come in, the salesperson can make sure that we get the right size refrigerator for you the first time. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn